Do you know that's why they make $450 to $1 million a year? Do you guys realize there's something why that these guys like Lance Armstrongs of our industry play differently? Yes? I said we're playing this game full out, and I only hear a third of you yelling yes. Yes? Okay, I told you the rules of how you play in my game when I go speak. Cool? We all participate. Are you guys ready? Do you have eggs? Does everybody have an egg? Do you know what order you're going? Is the timer ready? Get on the line. You guys are gonna be like right on the line. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, hurry, quick, go, go, go. Oh, yeah, gotta go back, quick, quick, quick. Start, go. Let's go, let's go. Come on, yes, yes. Final, bringing it home. Bring it home, everyone. Bring it home. And time. 34 seconds, 25. Write that down, somebody. Okay. How do we feel? Do we feel like that was good? All right, let's give these guys a round of applause. Yes. Okay, go have a seat. Have a seat. That was it. Good job. Good job. On your mark, get set, go. Let's go, Luke. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's a race. It's a close one. Scott, bring us home. Bring us home. Bring us home. Oh! Did it drop? He dropped it. All right. It's over. Golden Doors win. Darn it. Okay, hold on. Time. 22 seconds. 22 seconds. Okay. That was awesome. I was hoping a casualty would happen. Good work, bro. That was good. I was so happy. Hey, let's bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. We'll get a photo or something. Hold on. I owe you 20. I owe you 20. I owe you 20. I got you 20. I got you. I mean, hey, let's give it up for the winners of the egg thing. That was awesome. What did we just learn from this? What was the time? 22. 30% better than the first time. 30% better than the first time. Why? The side by side, the head by head, what else? We know it's possible to see it done. Guys, it wasn't a complicated game, was it? It's called walk. What else? What? They had an incentive, right? They're like, oh, $20. What else? Pride, maybe? They're like, damn, I want to get it. Bragging rights? You saw how competitive they were just to get on the damn stage. Do you know that's why they make $450 to $1 million a year? Do you guys realize there's something why that these guys like Lance Armstrongs of our industry play differently? Yes? Because one, when you put greater stakes on the line, we play harder. Two, when the environment is more competitive, you play harder. And three, are my slides up there? The universe rewards, that was the other point that I was trying to make. I was like, I thought I had 3 points. So guys, think about this. Did you guys all just witness that? I didn't plant them. I didn't know the outcome. I just assumed it. But I was pretty safe assuming it. Why? It works. You know how pissed off Luke was when he finally, he was like, I'm so close. When did you get your last install to get your golden door?
Last day.
December 31st, his 200th, or what was the number? 202nd install went in. Were you calling Tyler being like, you better damn move me to the front of the line? And everybody in your office didn't give a shit other than you, because he was competitive as hell to make sure he got up on this stage. Am I right or am I right? Say yes. But that's the difference why his bank account is probably 10 times greater That's the difference why people in this industry either just complacently get by and still make their 40 grand, or they're sitting in an opportunity making $1 million. That is the differentiator, and you just witnessed it on the stage with some damn spoons and eggs.